Hi guys and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will share with you 3 light setups with 1 and 2 lights that you can use in your next photoshoot. They are not the most creative light setups, but they work for almost every client and are very easy.
Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road.
We started with all white. So I use a white background and 2 softboxes in front of the model at a 45-degree angle on each side. That way you get an even light without shadows on the background with only 2 sources. This type of lightening works for stock photography, product shots and headshots.
Oh, it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Chisel all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah.
For the next light setup, I use a black or more like dark grey background. I use the same 2 softboxes from before in the same position, but Octabox was my main light and I turned the strip box to face the Octabox. That way I still have a feeling light on my model, but it doesn't hit the background. This gives some shadows and dimension to the image.
Wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why.
For the last set of images I wanted to shoot some close-ups. We changed the outfit and the chair, because the purple one complemented her clothes. I keep the dark background, but position the model as far away from it as my small studio allows me to. I position the Octabox in front of my model and trying to find ways to shoot standing in front of it. The most important thing in these close-ups for me was to have catch lights in both of her eyes.
And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt.
I hope you like my easy light setups ideas. Would you try them? Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to see some more easy studio light ideas, check out this video. That's it for this photoshoot guys, like and subscribe, bye!